Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today we are going to be doing a bottle cap in our miniature series. And I did a little one yesterday and it really came out beautiful. I did that off camera, so I'm going to try and do something very similar, but not the same, because who wants two of the same? So I'm going to start out with a little of my oxide black. And there's a little drop of that. And my white. Center. And put a little drop of red down in the middle. And let's work with our skewer. Let's go from the outside in. Let's make something beautiful here. I think that's looking quite beautiful. What do you think? Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. How about that? There we go. We even have a little stem going down. Oh, how about that? And I wonder if we can even put a little drop of some sparkle in the middle. I don't see why not. There we go. So, now we have a flower in 3 minutes. That's absolutely beautiful. I will take you in for a close-up on that. So please give me a thumbs up for my miniature. So here we go. Look at that. But I will get you, I'll get you in closer on the close-up. So give me a thumbs up today. Please share my video with your friends. This is Donna from Hollywood, California. Signing off today. Please share me and thank you for coming. I really appreciate it. Just getting in as close as I can here. Just wanted to let you see how big this is. It's just about an inch. So how great is that? Look at the lines, how crisp they are. I just find this totally amazing. And we even have some glitter in the middle. What a beautiful flower.